Open your CapCut. New video. Select a video. Split that place. Split it. Split. Split again. Split that place. Delete the last one. Click on the video. Freeze it. Delete the unwanted ones. Delete the last one you clicked. Delete this one also. Delete the last video. Delete the last video. Then this video it already been this video has already been freezed. So expand it. Go to overlay. Add that same video again. Click on the video and split. Delete the last one. Delete it. Click on the video. Slow. Keep on slowing. Slow. Then mask the video. Mask. Click on mask. Click on that first one, horizontal. Drag the line up. Drag it up. Keep on expanding. Keep on dragging it until it comes to the line of that wall. Let it match that line of that wall. You are done. In my next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to work this. Just take a look at this. Like and follow. In my next tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to work on this. The next second step on how to work on this, on how to edit such video.